charades.
Your performance time is 7 minutes and 39 seconds.
Again, 7 minutes and 39.
Pasok.
Salamat po sa ating CMO Yado, sa ating Educor Scholars, and the event organizers of our tribal village. Your contributions brought life to every corner of this event.
And also, Major Agent, pasalamatan din natin ang ating Waste Management Office, headed by Sir Joy Pareha, and City Environment and Natural Resources Office, led by Sir Maraming salamat po.
Our appreciation as well to the City Engineering Office, Engineer Ronald Onieza, Public Safety Office, Attorney John Gonzalez, and the City Mayor's Office, represented by Attorney D. Hadri Herrera, Chief of Staff, Ma'am Lizelle Legada, and Ma'am Mamo Luminas. Maraming salamat po.
And Angel Kenneth, ang likod ng ating festival, isa sa likod ng ating festival ngayon. We honor our festival director, Sir Joey John Concepcion. And of course, maraming salamat, Sir Joey C. Together with our festival creative consultant and artistic director, Sir Almizar B. Ali. Thank you so much, Sir Ali.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Our applause, Miko and Kenneth.
Yes, and I would like also to recognize our very dynamic and hard-working festival co-artistic director, Sir Alan Onge Remedios, together with Spotlight. Ladies and gentlemen, to deliver this message of greetings, may we call on our festival director, Mr. Joey Concepcion. A round of applause, please.
Happy Kalilangan Festival. Bago po, palakpakan po natin our City Mayor, Mayor Lorene Geronimo Pacquiao. Palakpakan po natin. To our City Vice Mayor, Attorney Ember Numa, to our Congresswoman, Charlene Bañez Dubrales, and to all of our City Councilors, Dania Carotabiuna, maraming salamat po. And to all the men and women who helped us out, I'd like to read through my speech. Festival, kasama po namin kayo. To Ma'am Lou, to Ma'am Michelle, to all of the performers, to all of the artists, salamat kayo. And I'd like, of course, being the incident commander of the incident management team, maraming salamat po. Pagkatapos ng isang activity, kung alam niyo na po ang buhay ng inyong incident management team, every morning, nilalatag po namin ang mga concerns ng ating po mga events dito po sa Filing Avenue, as well as to some events that we have in our city. To all of our security teams, headed by our Colonel Polayvar, to our task force center, to all of our auxiliaries na kasama po natin, and to all, of course, to our SEPSI 2, na palagi po ginagayad po ang team po namin. I'd like to thank, he's been a dad for me sa City Government, Attorney Leonard Flores, sir. Alam mo na po, ang ibig kong sabihin, you've been there for me. And for, of course, to the hard-working staff, palakpakan po natin yung mga staff na nandito. Salamat po. Thank you so much for your passion and dedication. You have turned this festival into a vibrant showcase.
Siyempre partner, napakarami na ng mga tao dito sa Pioneer Avenue as well as Magsaysay Avenue and Quezon Avenue. Punong-puno na tayo.
Our street dancing competition.
Yung mga hindi makakita doon sa likod, meron silang street. Yan, yun ang maganda kasi yung mga nasa bahay, makakapanood ng ating Kadsanayan Street Dancing Competition. Our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Isagani S. De La Cruz, SESO 5.
The Public Safety Office under the leadership of Attorney John Gonzalez.
The City Director of the General Santos City Police under the leadership of Colonel Jimenez Olaibar.
The City Risk Reduction and Management Office of General Santos City under the leadership of Dr. Agripino Casera Jr.
KCC Malls and Veranza of General Santos City.
Goldilocks by the Third Race Hall.
Abby's Resto Grill at Lagao General Santos City.
And of course, the Twin Town Square. And kanina ang ating contingent number 1 performed for 7 minutes and 44 seconds. Again, 7 minutes and 44 seconds. And for our contingent number 2, we would like to request one official time watcher to
Yes.
be here on stage to check the official time for the performance.
So dapat mag-check para walang duda.
Walang duda. That's right.
Okay. Ayan, partner, ang ating second contingent, yung ating elementary. Isa sa mga elementary schools ng Barangay Bulan. Jose de Villagracia Senior Elementary School.
Ayan, mga chikiting. Starts now.
May paparating si General Paulino Santos!
Ha? Si General Paulino Santos? Tara na! Salubungin natin! Ating magdiwang ang programa si General Paulino Santos. Kanyang talino, lakas at buhay, niya ipinuhos upang lahat na'y naninilahan. At ang iman ay masiyahan sa
mga pangarap. Ano ang gusto niyong maging balang araw o pangarap niyo sa buhay?
Ako po, teacher. Gusto ko maging isang kusinero.
Ako po, teacher. Gusto ko maging isang guro.
Ako po, teacher. Gusto ko maging na pulis.
Ako po, teacher. Gusto ko maging isang inhinyero.
Natutuwa ako sa iyong mga sagot. Tandaan, ang pangarap ay natutupad pag may sipag, tiyaga, disiplina at pananalig sa Diyos. Katulad ni General Paulino Santos na kilalang pinunong militar at dahil sa kanyang malaking abang, ipinahanap sa kanya ang lungsod ng General Santos. Magtupad-tupad na, magtuyog kita, kapag-ulalay magkakasama. Magtupad-tupad na, magtuyog kita, dapat busy sa bawat isa. Sama-sama nating abutin, pinagkamagayong nabitrin. At ang aking tagumpay, tagumpay ng aking lahi, tagumpay ng aking lipi, ang tanging binibigay ang inaaban. Ang ako'y tagumpay nating lahat.
Tunay siyang bida, aming kultura at pamana. Mabuhay Kailangan Festival 2026!
Of course, we would like to acknowledge the school head of our contingent number 3. We have Ma'am Iris Bisaya, and of course, the public school district supervisor, Ma'am Angelica Figueroa. Thank you very much, Ma'am, for your all of support, as well as the parents and stakeholders.
Yes.
ng ating contingent number 3.
Ang mga teachers! Nasaan ang mga teachers ng
Teachers!
grade school?
Kaway-kaway!
Okay. Ayan, sumusuporta sa kanilang mga participants.
Yes, and honestly, this is the most exciting part of the performance. Yung makita niyo yung gabi ng kanilang pinaghirapan.
That's correct, partner.
Araw, kuya,
Buyat, pagod,
pawis, no? And lahat ng mo all out to our parents, guardians,
teachers,
teachers, coaches, trainers.
lahat-lahat na.
Ngayong gabi ay ma-unfold po ang kanilang performance. Pacquiao.
In partnership of Department of Education, Schools Division of General Santos City, headed by
Goldilocks by the Thoroughbred School.
Abby's Resto Grill at Lagao, General Santos City.
And the Green Town Square of General Santos City by J.B. Balboa.
Partner, kung bibilangin kaya natin ang mga tao na nandito ngayon watching the Katsagayan Street Dancing, kung ilan kayo?